A very good afternoon, all of you. I am Ajay from BRLPS. So first, I would like to show you a 3-minute video, exactly what we are doing. It's a new innovation, new thought that there should be a migration cell across the India. So what this migration cell will do? So this video will give you a glimpse like, okay, actually what we are doing and what we are thinking. So just a start.
हर साल लाखों लोग बिहार से काम की तलाश में निकलते हैं। ये लोग न केवल राज्य की बल्कि देश की आर्थिक तरक्की में भी बहुत बड़ा योगदान देते हैं।
राज्य में यूथ की काफी बड़ी आबादी है। इस आबादी का बहुत बड़ा प्रोडक्टिव योगदान हो सकता है पूरे राज्य की बेहतरी में।
ऊपर से ये तस्वीर सुहानी दिखती है, लेकिन काम की तलाश में निकले इन लोगों को शहरों में बहुत सारी दिक्कतों का सामना करना पड़ता है। जानकारी की कमी और उचित हुनर का अभाव, साथ ही अजनबी माहौल लगातार इनकी तरक्की के आड़े आता है।
These vulnerable migrants need support to cope with the difficulties of city life and the hardships of the informal economy.
इनको इन हालात से निकालने के लिए एक जिम्मेदार पहल की जरूरत थी, जिसमें जीविका ने इन लोगों का हाथ थामा।
बिहार माइग्रेंट रिसोर्स सेंटर एक शुरुआत है बिहार से आने वाले लोगों के लिए, जो शहर काफ़ी उम्मीदें लेकर आते हैं। एक बेहतर जिंदगी की तलाश में, एक बेहतर नौकरी की तलाश में।
Just interrupting in you in between, there is some problem in this. So just giving you a little bit that what it is happening. There was some voice, so it's messed somewhere. It's a technical fault. There is a helpline for the migrants whoever travel. It is not basically for the Bihar migrants. It's for all the migrants who come to Delhi and Delhi NCR. So at this number which has been displayed, so they can call on this number and get queries like where there is a job opportunities. I need some ID proof card, so where I can make the they need to go somewhere. So if they require some of the information, that train reservations, where is the route, so these kind of queries can be asked on this number. At the MRC there is a counselor also, so he counsel if there is some issues with the workers workforce. The MRC gives the information of the job opportunity nearby the areas. Currently we are operating in Matrix. Jivika also conducts the job fair at the source level. Source means the Bihar. Okay, so this was the video. Coming to the presentation, Bihar Migrant Resource Center, we call it BMRC. And this is Bihar Migration Resource Center, which is started in January 2014. And it has been inaugurated by the Chief Minister Nitish Kumar. And this initiative, the center, the support, you can say it's in a collaboration with the Matrix Clothing. It's in a Gurgaon. So the center is started and its apparel training centers. The Matrix is having a training center with the name of ASDA. So at that premises, this center is being established with few of the facilities given by the Matrix peoples only, like the computers, the workplace, and little bit of the workforce. Talking about little bit of Jivika. Jivika was started in 2006. This society was been set up by the government of Bihar, and it is totally supported by World Bank with 366 crore for initially 5 years. Now it's in a central program. So in every state is having state chapters. Like in Bihar, it's a BRLPS. In Jharkhand, it's in a JSLPS. Everywhere, every state is having this kind of a society. And every state with the mission to empower the rural poor through self-managed community institution. This institution has been run by the the poor women who generally work with the SHG, self-help group. They manage the self-help group at their own, and another level is the federation level. So they manage the federations. Currently, if you see, the Jivika has a target, the outreach of the Jivika is of 23 lakhs in Bihar, 23 lakh households. So we are over there, we are reaching them, we are providing social inclusion programs with them, the financial inclusion program is there, the convergence, the training, the capacity building, and then our flagship program of Jivika is a skill development training program. So we are into skilling also, but we are not imparting the training components. We have partners, and when this MRC we have thought to start, when we started our training program, we have ILFS is there, Raymond's is there. So these kind of a training partner, when they started and they placed huge number of placement they have done, then we thought that there should be a MRC. And exactly if you will see the figure says that it's really required. 48% of the household, if you will see of Bihar, 48% from each of the household, one person is moving. So in 100, 48 persons moves to Delhi, Punjab, Haryana or somewhere else. So these migration center is really required. And if you will see, Bihar is the state, one of the largest state from where a huge number of migration happen. And then there is the another state is UP. The third is Odisha. Delhi NCR is a big corridor for the migrants where the migrants comes, because this is the corridor where the apparel industries has been established, more automobiles are there. So large number of industries has been set up. Another is, if you will see, after the apparel, there is a constructions also. The constructions, the mason is required. But the mason is always known as an unorganized sector. Constructions field is always known as an unorganized sector. So apparel is the most intensive where the manpower is required at every step, at every process, with every machine, as well said, and as you all know, you are working with that. So for the stable workforce and for high retention, GVK has started this program. And in our skill development program, the first is the skill training program. The partnership with the implementing agencies. Our implementing agencies are ILFS currently, and we are open for all the industries people. The Matrix is our partner for the training. Orient Craft is also their partners for training. They have their own training center in Bihar. They used to train the people, and they place them in their industries only. Another is Raymond's is also over there. So these kinds of training centers are in Bihar. Second is like everyone can't set up the. No, it's in Patna. Patna is also there. Ranchi, they have their operations, so they have. ILFS is having around 3-4 centers. We provide the not only says that we give the projects, like you trained and I will give you alum 32,000 per candidates. So there is a slab, there is a segregation, there is some things. So this you can see on the websites also. Our second program is direct placement. Direct placements deals with the job fairs. Especially this job fairs has been conducted for the company people only. We have a tie-up with Vardhaman Yarns, Sahi Exports. So these company peoples comes to our place. Before they coming, their requirement has been asked 15 days or 1 month previously. And our mobilizers are there in Bihar. So there are regularly they used to mobilize these candidates only. So they mobilize, and on the job day, the job fairs day, it is just interaction and verifications of the documents. So the people know the salary before coming to job fairs. The people know in which company he is willing to give the CV to submit. So these kind of amendments little bit we have done, like it should not be a crowdy job fair. It should be a 400 and at least 300. If the 400% come to our job fairs, so 300 should be placed. So in these manners we are conducting our job fairs. We have a self-employment model. It is at source also, and we are also trying at the destinations. We have done a pilot with the Matrix. Hand embroidery work is needed in the apparel industries. So here we are trying to form a SHG nearby the locations of the migrant populations only, and train them with the company people who is expert in that, and then the productions will be given by to the same company where they have been trained, or nearby of the companies who are willing to work with these manpowers. And for all these we have our job MIS. So we always monitor of these things. Then Bihar Migration Resource Center is our one of the major components, which is first migration center has been established in Gurgaon. We have a quality cell team in Delhi, in Bihar. So all the team has been that when the needed, they used to intervene in to make a better quality and better achievements. We have our one job helpline. This helpline, what it does, it gives informations to the youth that where is the opening. The second is a placement and tracking validations of the training partners. We have 39 training partners with almost 48 or 50 training center across Bihar. So approx 20 to 25,000 every month we train people and we place them in across India in different trades. So for them we have a tracking. We have a support system also. Support system is means to the migrant or the trainees who have been trained by the PIA. They will be getting 1,000 rupees a month. So it is to support them, to give us support to retain at their workplace. So this kind of a support is being also given. These are the figures where we have placed something. 87,000 is the profile. We have trained 56 and 50,000 of people we have been placed. Currently we are having a 46 training centers across Bihar, And very soon, within 2 months, we will be having around 115 training centers with 39 more partners. So it's really, we are looking like an ITI. If a person goes to ITI, why not to Jivika training program? And it's an NRLM program only. So across India, you will find this kind of a training center with the same structure, with the same SOP on this. So coming to the BMRC component. BMRC always welcomes all the seasonal and permanent migrants from across the country. It is not bounded to for the Bihar and Bihari people. No. It is for the UP, it is for the Keralites, so everyone can come and avail the services. The MRC offers not services to only the migrant, their families, their children. They all come to that center. In manners, the children wants to use the library. There is also a library set up. There is a computer, so they use these kind. So it feels like it's my home, and I can retain here. This also gives the assistance to the migrant. The center is also being used in the recreational space and as a community information center also. When there is a new circular come with the PF ESI department or PF department, that sorry PF ka.
Could I request you to keep your observations till the end of his speech?
No, it's okay. PF ka tha. It's true. It's a notification that you need 5 and 6 documents. It's fixed. Okay. So it's very difficult for the migrant to get any of the proof. Few of the companies were facing this. So currently what we have done, we have a tie-up with the Aadhaar ministry, and then the setup is being used at, setup has been set up in their premises, in the factory only, not to move anywhere for the 10 days or for the 15 days. So they will get this and they don't have to leave the job and not to worry about anything, that okay, where this PF will be, how to submit this document. So we have set up this kind of an Aadhaar setup. As per the requirement, bank account is also in future, the saving account is to be mandatory with the ESI. You have to link a number, account number, bank account number. It should be a saving bank account number. So it has to be also linked with the ESI also. As what I have talked, this is the objectives where we create a platform for the migrant to feel like in a home. Skill enhancement, skill training also, creating access informations, as I said in the previous slide, recreation and learning center for the migrants. The children has to get a better quality learning in this. So we are moving to the school also, the government school and the private schools, the local schools where the migrant lives. So we are trying to improve them also with the support of few NGOs. We have also conducted the need assessment. Basically this need assessment was been conducted because when we started in January, we were also a little bit blank how to start the center and what to do. And with the support, World Bank is with us, closely they are working. And they are supporting. The ILO is also working with us. So what we have done, when we do the need assessment, we found in a social points to get a recreation space. When they work for 8 hours, after that they don't have any space to sit. The company get closed, where to go? So they need one recreational place where they can celebrate their pujas, their festivals, their play, and many more. Secondly, what we found, the livelihood, better employment opportunities. Everyone needs, even I needs, so they also needs. So we provide them with the livelihood opportunities. One of better job opportunity, and the second is the hand embroidery pilot we are doing. Third is the health. So we are also trying to, if RSBY card, it's a very few people knows this, but there is a split card facility. It's a very unique card. It's having of 75,000 of the insurance. If the person get sick, he can go to a hospital and get the accessibility of that amount. In that, the transportation is covered, the fooding is covered, the medicine is covered, and the consultancy fee of the doctor is also covered. So these RSBY card can be make at their source level, and the person can bring this card, and one card will be with their family members. So every one will be covered under this, the member, like me, my wife, my son, my children, and more my dad and my mom. So these many people will be covered under this. So this will also help. They used to go, they are very fear to go to the distance hospital to say, like, if there is an ESI hospital 10 kilometers far from the industry. So they don't want to go to the ESI, they go to the nearby doctor who give them any of the medicine. I can't say that it will be not the correct word to say that it's wrong medicine, but it's a heavy dose machine of medicine. It's of 500 mg, 400 mg. It is very harmful for them also. So it has been seen in the practice. Again, what we have seen that the basic problem of the migrants, the worker, is to send their money at their home. It is also a basic problem. So what we are trying, one, we have done a pilot with Aadhaar. It is going, and we are into a discussion with Aadhaar. This is going in Rajasthan also. But if you all start one of the, if you set up one local, its cash system is there, where you can send 1,000 rupees, and that will be of 20 rupees charges will be there. So these kind of service can be established in the industries also. Sorry? Yeah, it is there. It's true. So these kind of service can be also started in your premises at nearby the gate or any of the nearby the boundary wall you can break, and these can be started, and really the worker will feel ki, okay, this is for us, and really this company is doing better. Another, what we have found, the empowerment. So for that, the SHG Federation, we are SHG and Federation we are building here. The counseling is being done to the household level also. One person goes to nearby if any problem is there, and the person also comes. I don't have a SIM card, Aadhaar card, and the company is saying that this you have to submit in the PF. So this kind of empowerment and counseling is being given to them. The educations, it's my I can say I feel very good when I started this. I thought that no, it won't be in our office. It will be thinking like how I will explain to my boss that, sir, I have started this kind of tuition center kind of say, or it's a recreation kind of. But initially 5-7 children came to our office, says that we want to sit here. I want to sit. Then they says, can I get a book? We have established one library. Then we have seen these, he has told to his friend, another one has told to another friends, and now we have around 120 children used to come regularly. Approx 60 children only come, but 60 children comes, and peer learning is going on. The 7th standard children used to teach 5th and 4th years of children. So, and it's of all of the migrants only, the worker who are working in your industries. So it's really, I feel good, and there is a monitors who monitors, and they have only made this. Just we have facilitated that, okay, just do like this and do like that. The government scheme, there are a lot of government scheme is also for the migrant. If some accidents happen, there is some clause that they can get some benefits, but no one knows that. So we are also providing them ID card, as I said previously. Now coming to the BMRC, how this works. So it is really important because I want to work with you all the companies. So maybe I will be looking to be a partners. We both can be a partners and we can start this. So just a youth of who is sitting in a village which is known as a Gaya or a Patna of any of the village, he can directly come to Jivika's job fairs. Another is he can come to our training centers which is established in Bihar. He can comes to the counseling. For the counseling, we have a counselor at our village level. And maybe the youth can come to the open market also. And directly these person will be linked with the BMRC source. BMRC source is the Bihar. The migration center will also be set up in Bihar. And these BMRC will directly connected with the destination. Destination is Delhi, Haryana, Kerala, anywhere across of the states. And we are planning to have 200 migration center across India. And these BMRC, the destination BMRC will be directly linked with the industries. And this will be set up in the industry or nearby the premises where the migrants live. And these BMRC will also be get supported with the civil society, with the training partners over here, with the Haryana, or if you will talk to Delhi NCR, then Delhi NCR training centers, because Delhi states, Haryana state and Noida, they are also having lots of training centers. So these BMRC will be also linked with the training centers. These BMRC will linked with the associations, and this is one of the partnership with the OGTC, that we have gone to the OGTC and contacts, and OGTC has given a chance. So we are into associations with the OGTC also. With the company we are working with 10 to 12 company in Delhi NCR, and with the governments, because without support it would be very difficult to implement lot of the programs. So with the supports and all these services and the facilities what we are providing to the migrant, it really gives the industries with the stable workforce, with higher retention of worker. Informed migrant means if the person is sitting in Patna and he is going to come to your industry, so you will be informed like this is the address, this person, and he is agreed to come. So before coming of that person, you are knowing that this is a genuine person. So these information will be with you. Social mobility, and currently we are having these kind of an activity at our center. Migration registration, children learning centers, helpline services, Aadhaar, counseling, recreation center, self-employment opportunity, library, and health camp. Giving you a little bit pics what the women, children, and the workers do. So this is the hand embroidery work. This is the place where the people used to sit, and if you will see, it's a very colorful wall, and it's all created by the migrant only, and it's a paper work. We have a plan to start within 3 to 6 months in these of the areas that the industries can call us for the meetings, and we can discuss that how these centers can be established in their locality. It is very difficult to start this center in the industry premises because there is lots of compliances are there. So we are into this. It is not just our idea to start this. It can be numbers, the names can be added or can be removed. Just it's our study that, okay, these are the needs. Actually, we don't want to tie up with all the apparel industries. So at least 10 to 12 tie up with the apparel and moving into automobiles, constructions. So everywhere we are into a tie-ups. And not only with these states, we are into other states also. So very soon this will be a flagship program of Modi ji also. Because now very soon you will be knowing that a ministry, a skill ministry can be formed. There is into discussion. So this is going to be happen, and it's in a really major role will be there. So migration center will be also playing a vital role. Sorry, I didn't introduce my team. From me, I'm Ajay, Shreya is with me, and Vishal is there. So we are working with there. And Gopal is unfortunately not here. He is working with World Bank as a supporting, so he's in somewhere in the meeting. So thanks. Any of या लगा सकते हैं सर, एकदम लगा सकते हैं, बट उससे पहले मैं आपसे भी कुछ चाहूंगा. पहला चाहूंगा कि हम आपके यहाँ सिर्फ आधार नहीं, हम आपके जितने भी वर्कर हैं हम उनके साथ बहुत सा एक स्टडी करें जो मुझे पता चले कि उनकी मेजर और भी क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम है, तो हम एक साथ सभी चीजों को टेकअप करेंगे.
सबसे पहले आधार को टेकअप करते हैं, उस रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ प्रोविडेंट फंड.
हाँ, ये इट्स ट्रू, ये है. तो आधार का सेटअप के लिए मैं खुद आपको किसी एक पर्सन को भेज दूंगा, एंड ही विल बी इन टच.
ओके,
Quick question, which company do you represent?
ओरिएंट फैशन एक्सपोर्ट इंडिया प्राइवेट लिमिटेड.
Okay, so you have
अजय जी, मैंने भी करा था गुड़गांव डिवीजन राजनीतिक एक्सपोर्ट से.
जी.
श्रेया से मैंने बात किया था, आपसे भी मेरे को फोन पे बात हुआ, उसका बिल्कुल आगे बात बढ़ी नहीं.
आई एम सॉरी फॉर दैट, मे बी लिंक कट गया हो.
हमने अभी मुलामा के साथ MOT करा है, उसमें ट्रेनिंग करा के वहाँ से ले रहे हैं.
अच्छा, आपने ऐसा नहीं तो द बेस्ट पार्ट इज लाइक मैट्रिक्स जो है उनकी ट्रेनिंग सेंटर्स बिहार में भी है. कंटिन्यूअसली वी आर हैविंग अ ह्यूज नंबर ऑफ मैन पावर. लाइक एवरी मंथ वी आर गेटिंग 100 मैन पावर फ्रॉम बिहार. सो आप वहां से हम कर सकते हैं, डेफिनेटली वी कैन डू दैट. आप या अच्छा,
I think it's good. Everyone's in the same room to make the introductions and get going. Any other questions we have for Ajay at this stage?
अजय, आप जैसे माइग्रेंट लेबर जब दिवाली या ईद में वापस चले जाते हैं, they don't come back to their families. So how can you help the companies in that?
उन्हीं दिनों जरूरत ज्यादा होती है.
एग्जैक्टली सही बात है. हम इसी चीज देखिए, घर तो हम भी जाते हैं, शायद 1 से 6 तक छुट्टी होगी सभी कोई की, या 2 से 6 तक छुट्टी होगी. इट्स ट्रू. उनके साथ थोड़ा सा समझना पड़ता है प्रॉब्लम कि वो जाते हैं तो उनकी खेती है, ये सब चीज़ों में वो उलझ जाते हैं. ठीक है, उसके बाद आते हैं तो हम जिनके साथ काम कर रहे हैं उनको एकदम शुरू से मोटिवेट करके रखते हैं. जहाँ नहीं होता है, मान लिया जाए, मैं ये तो श्योरिटी नहीं दे सकता कि वो आएगा ही, नहीं होता है तो हमारी जो टीम है, ठीक है, वो ऑटोमेटिकली आप जिस दिन कॉल करोगे विद इन 3 days उस तक बात जाती है, क्या प्रॉब्लम है वो कंपनी को हम डायरेक्टली बताते हैं. सो ये हम करते हैं क्योंकि हमारे पास अपने मोबिलाइजर्स हैं इन द विलेज. एक ब्लॉक में हमारे पास 3 हैं टीम, वो 3 लोगों का काम ही है सिर्फ इंटरेक्शंस करना विद एम्प्लॉय, वी कैन एम्प्लॉयर एंड एम्प्लॉय बोथ.
टिकट भी हम अपने पास ही खोल रखते हैं, वहीं से टिकट बना के देते हैं. क्या हमें पता रहे कि वो आएगा क्या, नहीं आता उसका फोन भी करते रहते हैं.
इसीलिए हमने अपने यहाँ रखा है कि इसीलिए MIS बेस्ड रखा है, क्योंकि इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट. तो जो आपके यहाँ जाएंगे एक बार तो कम से कम उसके घर पे नॉक करके आएगा कोई. ठीक है, खटखट किया, पूछा क्यों नहीं जा रहे हो भाई, तो एटलीस्ट आई कैन से कि 30% आपके जो प्रॉब्लम्स हैं इस तरह के वो तो हो जाएंगे. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट हम 70% कर देंगे, 80% कर देंगे, इट्स नो, बट 30% आई कैन डू. डेफिनेटली सर.
Because that's a social issue which cannot be addressed just by knocking at their door. It's a social problem because the society is such. Once the person goes back to his native place, he is so relaxed with his people, and people also want him to stay back. अभी क्या करेगा बबुआ जाके, तू 1 महीना और रुक जा, 2 महीना और रुक जा. This is the problem. ऐसे उसमें आप और हम जो है ना कुछ नहीं कर सकते. ये है कि थोड़ा बहुत 2-4% का भी कुछ फर्क पड़ गया. पर क्या है कि गारमेंट इंडस्ट्री के अंदर शिपमेंट कर जानी है, यहाँ तो एक लाइन बंद है, तो प्रोडक्शन वाले ने हमारे को जो है ना सर खा जाना है।
ये चीजें इट्स ट्रू
नॉक करते रहिए।
मैं बताता हूँ, ठीक है। एक्चुअली जब हमने मैट्रिक्स के साथ जब शुरू किया था, फर्स्ट बैच जब मैंने भेजा, ठीक है, विद द 6 नंबर्स ही सिर्फ आए थे। 6 लोगों के बाद ये 6 वापस गए। मैं स्पेशली घर गया, लोगों के घर जाके आई वॉज पोस्टेड इन गया ऑन दैट टाइम, तो गया से ही लोग आए थे। फिर क्या हुआ, मैं उन 6 के घर पे बात किया, बहुत मुश्किल से 2 को भेजा, फिर वो दोनों भी 1 महीने से 1.5 महीने के बाद वापस चले गए। ये होता है। बट क्या है, एक चीजें जब हम रिगरसली उसको काम कर रहे हैं, हम वहाँ पीएफ का बेनिफिट्स बताते हैं, वो टीम है। आपको अगर जीविका के प्रेजेंटेशंस कभी आप स्किलिंग पे देखें, इट्स ऑन अ वेबसाइट ऑल्सो, तो स्पेशली पीएफ, ईएसआई, ये सब चीज़ों के बेनिफिट्स जो हमारे फील्ड मोबिलाइजर हैं, उनका काम है वीकली वो गांव-गांव जाके ओरिएंट करते हैं, तो लोगों को वहां से समझ में आता है। फिर कंपनी अगर छोड़ दोगे आप, 90 दिनों के बाद कंपनी आपको निकाल देती है विदाउट इन्फॉर्मेशन। अगर आप छोड़ देते हो तो फिर से आपको कंपनी नए पेरोल पे रखती है। तो ये सब चीजें, छोटी छोटी चीजें हम लोग समझाते हैं लोगों को। ये इसीलिए मैंने एकदम स्टार्टिंग में ही कहा कि आई कैन डू विद 30% रिटेंशन उस केसेस में जो लोग घर चले जाते हैं और इसमें आ जाते हैं। नहीं तो जो बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल इज द मैट्रिक्स, जहां अभी हम वहां के मैन पावर, इनकी खुद की रिक्वायरमेंट है अप्रॉक्स 6000 मैट्रिक्स की, बट अब वो दूसरे जगह प्लेस कर रहे हैं, दे डोंट रिक्वायर्ड। ओरिएंट में जा रही है, ब्लैकबेरी में जा रही है। सर सॉरी फॉर दैट, मुझे नहीं पता चला, मैं मिस कर गया। नहीं तो हैं ट्रेंड किए हुए बंदे वहां जा रहे हैं, तो कहीं तो हमने बेनिफिट दिया मैट्रिक्स को।
Could I make a request at this stage of the group? Now we need to keep in the timelines of the conference. That means our session needs to end at 4:15, which is close to where we are. What I can see is that this has set the stage for a very entertaining coffee chat that you're going to have with the gentleman here, Ajay. So you have a great opportunity and the best of my luck with you for this conversation.
Thank you.
I don't think you'll need it.
Thank you.
Now, thank you. Let's give Ajay a round of applause for this presentation.